Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on HONOR X7c. So we have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. And now click open. And then click on this button to skip introduction and click not now. And now click on open permissions and select the AI assistant. Then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then you can go back. Now go back again and click start. And as you can see, my ChatGPT is now installed and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.